In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue of being unable to access a repository on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, running into access issues can be frustrating. But don't worry. By following these steps, you'll have the tools to troubleshoot and resolve the problem swiftly. First, let's tackle a common situation. You're not logged in. This might seem basic, but it's an easy step to overlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to github.com. Once there, look for the Sign In button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials, your username or email and password. After successfully logging in, try accessing the repository again. Often, this simple fix is enough to solve the problem. If you find that logging in wasn't the issue, check if the repository is private and you don't have access rights. Private repositories aren't visible to everyone, only to those who have been given specific permissions. First, double-check that you have entered the correct repository URL. If it's a private repository, you're going to need access granted by the owner. Reach out to the repository's owner and politely request to be added as a collaborator. Once the owner extends an invitation to you, you'll receive a notification either by email or directly within your GitHub Notifications tab. Be sure to look out for it and promptly accept the invitation. Once you have completed these steps, try accessing the repository again. Another potential glitch could be that you're logged into the wrong GitHub account. It's not uncommon to have multiple GitHub accounts for different projects or organizations, and it's an easy oversight to be logged into the incorrect one. Here's how to fix it. In the top right corner of the GitHub page, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Sign Out from the options. This action will log you out from the current account. Now, simply click Sign In again, and make sure you enter the credentials for the correct account that has the necessary permissions to access the desired repository. After signing in with the right account, attempt to access the repository once more. By systematically addressing these potential roadblocks, making sure you're logged in, verifying your access permissions on private repositories, and ensuring you're using the correct GitHub account, you should be able to solve the unable to access issue on GitHub without too much hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy coding!